Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from DIYChoose. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DIYChoose. So I decided to separate out the storage that I got from them. I have other things that are also from them that is going to be in a future video. So this is two versions of the Tic Tac containers. It's ones I don't have. You're like, yeah, Joan, there's really diamond painting storage you don't have. Yes, there actually is diamond painting storage I don't have. So this first one is a 44 Tic Tac container storage. Packed very well. Hopefully that means the contents are nice and safe inside. For whatever reason, this one was not in any protective, but it looks fine. And so okay, so this one is the 44 Tic Tac container storage. I'm one of the, I guess, recent converts to the Tic Tac containers. It was one of the last containers I got, and ever since I got it, I'm like, I don't know, this is actually pretty nice. So this one should be the 44 Tic Tac container. It does have this tab here. I probably cut it off because, yeah, I don't know what purpose it has there, and other than maybe displaying. But so yeah. Here is, let's see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, so 11 times 4, 44 in here. So yeah, Tic Tac container. So I've found that these Tic Tac containers can hold about, I have my other Tic Tac containers near me just for comparison's sake. It could hold about 5 of these very, very full. It'll be very full, but I was able to squeeze 5 of these into the Tic Tac containers before. So yeah. If you haven't tried the Tic Tac containers before, the easiest way to fill them, I think, is to open the tab and then pull that out, and then the opening will be much easier to pour in the drills. And when I pour them out, that's when I only use this. And I like it because it really helps slow down how much you pour. Sometimes when you pour some drills onto a tray, you're like, I only needed like 5. And in case you're wondering, the regular pink pen can fit in the container if you just need to get one. The bigger pens probably won't fit, but if you have one of these regular pink pens, you could do what I like to do, is dip and pick up. So this one is $13.29. And in case you're like, I only have an X amount of space, this thing is about 16 centimeters by like 11.5, or like 6.25 inches by 4.5 inches by like 2.25 inches, or 5.5 centimeters. So the other one I got is supposed to be the 80 grid. Oh, it does look like at the bottom, I'd have to take out all the containers. There's labels. Kind of wish they put it at the top, cause yeah, I'd have to take out this one also looks like it has labels all the way at the bottom. So this one is the 80 grid container. This is $22.99, and it is about like 22.5 by 15.5 centimeters, or about 9 inches by a little bit more than 6 inches, and it's the same height as the other one. So this one does have 2 clasps, and there is like an indentation here and in the back where it just kind of has a handle to pick it up. So this one, the 44 containers looks pretty packed in. So it might be a little difficult to, like, it's not too bad over here, but it is a little difficult where this Class B thingy is to take them out because it's a pretty tight fit. So that might be a little annoying. Okay, and I just noticed that because when I was... Did I break it already? You know, I have... No. It's not clasping. Oh, there. I just noticed that because when I was opening this one actually has a lot more space here. So that's probably good. And so this is supposed to have 80. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 16 times 5. That is not something I know off the top of my head. So 8 times 10, that's 80. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 10 is 80. So yeah, that's 80. I'm like, I don't know what 16 times 5 is. So let's just try to do math easier. So same type of containers here. And like I said, these things hold about... this one is not fitting in exactly there. These things hold about 1,000 drills. So in case, like, probably the most common Tic Tac container is this one. This one holds 64 of the small containers or 32 of these big containers. So these big containers, like, you could swap out 2 of them for the big containers most of the time. I don't know about this one. This one, it's a very tight fit. So if I take out 2, we'll be able to put this in. Yeah. Okay. So, and these big containers hold about 2,500 while these hold about 1,000. And that's just about. And another version of the Tic Tac containers I have is this one, which is like I think this one could hold 120 drills, or sometimes I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sometimes I see it says it's called 126 because if you take out the little dividers here, which I did for this one, if you take out the dividers, you can add one more here. So that's why usually sometimes it says 126. So wait, did I say how much this 80 one is? This 80 piece one is $22.99. And this one is, let me click it, $13.29. So that is all I have for today. So thank you to DIYChoose for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!